आगे बढ़ो आगे बढ़ो आगे बढ़ो पीछे जाम हो गया
Yes, sir. Yes.
Your SP?
Yes, sir.
So you are secretary,
Sir,
Of
yes.
the committee.
Member, sir.
member.
Sir.
Look at the notification of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Sir, sir.
Go by that committee.
Yes, sir.
I will come and have a program.
Sir, sure, sir.
Let us have a review
Sir, sir, sir. Sure,
on road safety because yes, therefore yesterday there was an incident. Also earlier,
sir.
what I am told is that the injured are shifted to Shillong Civil Hospital.
Not this
Trauma-
one, sir.
trauma.
Thadrang one, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, trauma center.
Yes, sir.
Ideally, trauma center, which is nearest,
Sir.
must be the destination
Sir, sir.
to save life.
Yes, sir.
So this is a matter of concern, and I'm happy that you are doing the checking.
Sir, sir. Yes, sir.
And then I think daytime that overloading truck,
Sir. Yes, sir.
highly overloaded.
Sir.
Which is probably transporting your aggregates.
Yes, sir.
Those are
Clinkers and all.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, all the best.
That day, sir, we sent to Shillong, sir, because from Thadrang, Shillong was the nearest hospital, sir. So we sent one to Nazareth, one to Supercare, one to Civil. Because coming to Nongpo, sir, Shillong is like nearer to us, sir. From that
From
side,
there,
sir,
from
it
there.
was from Vairimong side, sir.
That
one side.
incident of Sunday,
Yes, sir, that 4 persons died, sir. Yes, sir.
the garbage.
That one was here, sir, Quinine.
So this
2
near-
drivers died, sir, and
This
one
is-
injured was brought here, sir, civil hospital, sir.
No, I
Nilkash,
talked to some of your media friends.
sir,
This version I got from them.
sir.
That some of the injured were shifted to Shillong.
That was the previous day, sir. This to sir Nilkash Moment, he's from Kharkota, sir. He was brought to civil hospital, sir. We got
Okay.
there.
Let us collectively do something.
Yes, yes.